In the world of investing, there are so many unique ways to make a lot of money. For example, you can just simply buy and hold. You can buy dividend stocks. You can sell or buy options. You can day trade. And yes, you can short stocks. 2 weeks ago, I did something I thought I would never do. I actually shorted stocks. And in this video, I'll share with you what my first time was like and yes, what happened. Meaning, how much money did I make or lose? Now, let me warn you, this particular strategy involves a lot of research, understanding, learning, and yes, sometimes even losing money. And actually, hold on a second. A lot of money. In fact, this is not for beginners. Shorting stocks could lose you an infinite amount of money. So this particular video is not financial or investing advice. Just information for you for your entertainment purposes. After all, I'm some guy on YouTube who sometimes looks like Woody from Toy Story. Take that for what it's worth. Now, overall, I made a total of $139 with only minutes of work. But I only profited $63. How I see it though, $63 is money after all. So I'll take it. Now for those of you who short stocks consistently and day trade, this might seem like a bunch of child's play to you, but for those of you who are just getting started and want to hear it from another person, that's what this video is aiming to talk about. Now, shorting a stock in the most basic term means that you're selling shares that you don't actually own. You do this when you think the price of a stock is going to drop. So let's say you have a stock and we'll call it Company A. Company A is trading for $100 per share. Now you've done your research, you've determined that you think the stock will go down. So you short one share. This means you get $100 immediately by ultimately taking out a loan from your brokerage for one share. Now your goal is that this share will go down in price. So to make it easy, let's say the share drops from $100 to $50. You decide to then buy back the share for $50 and return that share to the brokerage. Now the brokerage is happy because they got their share back, and you're happy because you get to pocket the difference between the initial $100 and the $50 that you bought the share for, meaning you profited by $50. But let me show you actual examples from my Webull account on how I earned $100. First example, Tesla. Oh yes, I shorted Tesla stock. Now let me give you the example. I shorted 200 shares, right here's the example right from Webull, 200 shares of Tesla on my Webull app at $224.65 per share. Now remember, my goal is for that price to drop. I don't want it to go above $224.65, I want it to go below that. So within 15 minutes of putting this short order in, it did indeed drop. Now, I'm not somebody who's trying to make thousands of dollars. I just want to suck a little bit of money as I'm continuing to learn the basics and mechanics and the technicals of the stock market. So within 15 minutes, it dropped to $224.45. Of course, that represents a 20-cent drop. Now, because I had 200 shares, strength in numbers happened, which means that I earned a total of $40 as a result of this very quick trade within 15 minutes. And the next short I did was yet another Tesla short because Tesla was having a tough day. We just got the news about the inflation report that was making the markets quite volatile, and it was very unfavorable. So what I did is I put in another 200 shares of a short on Tesla at $209.39 per share. Within the next hour, so this wasn't 15 minutes, took a little bit of time, but the price dropped to $209.09 per share, and that's when I put the buy order in. Now, that means another 200 shares traded, that means I earned $60. So far, made $100 in shorting stocks. Now, next up, I made a very small order of Amazon. Now, this particular order of Amazon was 100 shares at a total of $113.83, and I bought it back at $113.75. That was a total of an $8 profit. Not a lot, but I'll take it. Now, I had so much fun with Tesla, and the thing with Tesla is it's so liquid. There's so much money flowing in, there's so much money flowing out, so it allows that volatility to really happen. So, because I was having fun with it, my fourth shorted stock was Tesla yet again. Now, what I did for this round is I did 100 shares only, shorted at $207.21 per share, and then bought back within seconds, literally seconds, for $206.90 for a profit of $31 in 20 seconds. So it's kind of cool to say that I made $30 within 20 seconds, but remember the risk. I'm about to show you a risk in just a moment. In fact, let's make that moment right now. This is my dummy mistake, and exactly here's what happened. I bought it too early. So cue up Rivian. They had a recall just before the market opened, and they were talking about how they had to recall all these cars. There's a little bit of negative press around this company. I thought this could be an opportunity because at market open, this thing's gonna drop. Again, another good reason I like Webull, you get to trade in the pre and post market hours. get to take advantage of some of that small volume and then ride the wave up or down when the market actually opens. So I decided to take advantage of that, and unfortunately my thesis on the recall did not go as expected. So what happened is I shorted 100 shares at $31.19 per share. After 15 minutes, the volatility was getting my newbie nerves a little bit concerned. So I decided to cover my short. Now, when you cover your short, that means you're basically taking a loss on it because you don't want it to go up any higher in price. Now, I was expecting that price to drop. Instead, it decided to go up, up, up. And I'm like, okay, if this keeps going up today, do I feel comfortable just holding on for the long term? Now, that's an option. I could just say, I'm gonna hold on until this thing actually shorts the way I want it to, until I actually break a profit. But I thought, you know what, let me just cut my loss now and deal with it. And that's what I did. So I bought back at $31.96, meaning a terrible $76 loss on the deal. But in my mindset, I would rather cover the short than pray and hold and hope that it would figure itself out. So I took that loss and I dealt with it. Now, I will tell you though that typically when you go into day trading, both short and long, a lot of times you want to hold and really come up with a good strategy. Sometimes you can execute trades within seconds or minutes or even hours, but there are those times, especially when you're trading on margin, which means that you're borrowing money from the brokerage, you have to make that hard decision. Do I hold on and start swing trading that overnight? Do I hold on and pay the interest rate of the loan? Or do I just cut the loss? And that's where you can do your own calculations. Now, I could have easily held on to that and made money, but I decided, you know what, I'm gonna move on and do something else. But that is ultimately what happened. So because of that dicey deal that lost me 76 bucks, that's why I only walked away with $63 in this particular shorting example. So, you know, I've been doing this because I'm having fun. Now, I have a foundation set up. I regularly invest the S&P 500 and all the different things. I am not in debt, so I have that financial foundation set up, and I thought, you know, this is another angle of making money in the stock market. So if you are interested in more videos on my shorting, day trading, and options strategies, comment down below and let me know so I can make more videos. Now, I also got to say that if you're interested in doing the pre-market and post-market and shorting trading, again, not financial advice, but if you're interested in doing your own research and learning how to do it, check out Webull. They're offering you an incredible deal for this month, 12 free stocks when you sign up and deposit your first amount to trade with. All you got to do, click the link down in the description below and they'll get you started today. But that's it for today's video. That's my shorting experience. Check out this video next and we'll see you on the next video.